Hey Val, it's girl Valerie and welcome to ValsView. I see you. So I'm currently in my room and my room is totally disorganized, right? And I've always been shooting videos, but I've not had enough shooting real estate spaces to ensure that I have like this perfect YouTuber room arrangement. So right now I do not have enough props and designs. All I want to do is shift things around and make sure it looks amazing. So currently this is how my room looks like right now. It's not so amazing, but it's okay. But I want it to look a little bit more YouTube friendly. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, baby. Oh my gosh, I'm glowing. Wow. Okay, so currently I got a few of my friends to help me, Hillary and David. This is David.
This is your boy David.
This is also my boy Hillary. Since I now have boys. So they're both going to give me a hand in shooting this video and also helping me arrange my room because I can't move this bed on my own. Like, who can do that? No one. I can't do it. So with no further ado, let's get into this video. I hope you like it and subscribe if you've not. Let's do this.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and
Perfect. Wow. The whole room looks completely different. Wow, it's really nice this way actually. Oh, Hillary, sorry. So there you have it. I just finished changing the look of my room. My bed was over there and now it's over here. Let me take you around my room and let me show you what it looks like right now. Let's go. So my bookshelf is here right now. So it's currently over there. Now is here. This is my bookshelf. My table is right here. Fridge is also right here. And most of all, most importantly, is my bed. Yes, guys. So my bed is currently over here. I have more space to dance, more space to shoot more videos. That's why I changed the orientation of my bed. And I also have more space over here. This door is the doorway to my kitchen, right? If you want to see what's inside here, comment in the comment section. This curtain, the doorway to my wardrobe and my, bedroom. But if you also want to see what's here, comment in the comment section. So yes, there you have it. This is my new room. I have my workspace, my sleep space, my eat space, my fashion space. Look at me over here. Come, look at me. It's one of my favorite things is this mirror. I just recently got this mirror and I really do love it. There you have it. This is my new room walk orientation, everything. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and I'd love to see you more often. Very soon I'm gonna change how I look, but right now I'm super lazy. I just want to sleep. So good night.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed.